Hello, my name is Evangeline M, and I'm the founder of the National Black Pre-Law Conference and Law Fair. For me, the idea of having the opportunity to learn about myself and where my people came from and get a greater sense of what it meant to be Black and what it meant to be an African American, which of course in a public school system I didn't get any of that. That was really important to me. So for me, I only chose to apply to HBCUs. Why did I create the National HBCU Pre-Law Summit? I created the National Black Pre-Law Conference about a decade prior to the HBCU event. And what I found as I was looking through the list of registrants was that the majority of the students attending the Black Pre-Law Conference had attended PWIs, or predominantly white institutions. I felt that there were unique issues and challenges that students who attended HBCUs for undergrad, and then especially those who would choose to attend a PWI law school, specific challenges and issues that they would face that they needed to become aware of so that they could be prepared. It felt like they thought that we were just walking down the street one day and somebody said, you know, you're Black, do you want to go to law school? Okay, come with me, we'll get you in. I mean, that's how I felt. And so for me, the everyday, the stress every day of being in that environment and having to try to endure that, it fueled something in me. I think that if I had not gone to PWI law school, it would not have put in me the fire and the passion to want to do this work. Another reason why this event is so critical is because for Black students who are applying to law school, we have the largest shutout rate. Over 50% of African Americans who apply to law school, they simply don't get in anywhere. We don't know what it takes. We don't know what competitive looks like. And especially when it comes to the LSAT, we may not have access to the resources in terms of tutoring and courses, and we may also not have the information in terms of understanding what it takes to score high on standardized tests, because we simply don't know. What does the National HBCU Pre-Law Summit have to offer? Well, we offer a lot. First of all, the event is completely free of charge. So if they can just get there, you know, we take very good care of them. So we offer free professional headshots. We offer free resources and books and all types of information that they can take away. We get very dynamic and very successful attorneys to come and speak, and all of them are graduates of HBCUs. We have panels discussing career planning and career strategy. We have workshops on how to get into law school, workshops on financing legal education, a personal statement and diversity statement workshop. We'd have one-on-one consulting to answer questions about getting into law school and the law school experience. Law schools from all over the country come specifically to this event to recruit Black law students. Once they leave, they'll know law students. Once they leave, they'll know lawyers. Once they leave, they'll also have peer support, other people who are also interested in becoming lawyers that they can connect with, share information, and can support them throughout what is a tough process. So it's very important that they get that circle of support, that support system, and that's something very special that we really make sure that we are very proactive in providing students. What I would say to HBCU pre-law advisors and administrators who are thinking about bringing their students, but they're not sure, or they're wavering and thinking, maybe not this year, maybe next year. The biggest thing I want to tell you is that it's very important that you not take this event for granted. It's very important that you come this year, because we don't have a guarantee that we're going to have funding for next year. So there's a lot that goes into these events in terms of time, energy, money, and resources that make these events happen. And so the main thing that we need is for you to show up and you to support us by being there, being present, and taking advantage of all that we've brought together and all that we offer.